Hi everyone, this is Brad. Here's one way to get a complete list of students that are in your Google Classroom. So we're going to go into classwork and then we're going to select one of the assignments. Select view assignment, and then the upper right, select the settings gear and then copy all grades to Google Sheets. Okay, the sheet's been populated, so we're just going to go ahead up in here and just call it names. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to select 1 through 5. I'm going to hold down shift and then I'm going to just right click and I'm going to delete rows 1 through 5. I'm also going to come over here to C and I'm going to right click and I'm going to delete this column. Now what I am going to do here is I'm going to go ahead over and we want to go ahead and we want to unfreeze the column. So we're going to go to freeze and then no columns. Now that we've done that, we're just going to select A and drag it over here and place it. So now it has the student's first name, last name. Then what you can do is select 1A and then wherever your last one is here, for example, mine's 8B, I'm going to hold down shift, click, and now I can go ahead and Ctrl C or right click and copy, and then you could paste these wherever it is you'd like. So there you go. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.